You will see smart tools designed to improve work, travel, and daily tasks. Each gadget offers practical value and solves real problems. Watch the full list to find gear that fits your routine.
Number 10.
Compact Handheld 3D Scanner. This handheld 3D scanner gives you detailed full-color scans in a tool that fits in your palm. You get 0.05mm precision, so surfaces, edges, and textures appear accurate. It captures data at 18 frames per second, which helps you scan complex shapes without drops or glitches. The device tracks color and geometry in real time. Use it for product design, modeling, repairs, or measurements. The compact frame helps you move around objects without losing alignment. It works on small items and larger surfaces. You get consistent results without long setup steps. Load the scan, refine it, and export it to your software. It saves time during prototyping and digital asset creation.
Number 9. Hato Air Pump Master.
This air pump supports road trips, outdoor gear, and daily emergencies. It runs on three 2,500 mAh batteries that deliver strong airflow for tires, sports gear, and inflatables. You get steady pressure output for accurate inflation. The controls are simple. Pick a mode, attach the hose, and watch it hit the target PSI without guesswork. The compact body fits in a backpack or car trunk. The pump handles long sessions without overheating. It also includes multiple nozzles, so it works with bikes, cars, boards, and camping items. The digital display shows readings in real time. It keeps you covered during travel when you need quick, reliable inflation.
Number 8.
Granista Professional Grinder. This grinder gives you consistent grounds for better coffee. The 64mm flat burrs produce uniform particles that extract clean flavor. It includes a built-in scale, so you measure beans with accuracy. Set the dose, grind, and brew without extra tools. The adjustment dial offers fine control for espresso, pour over, or drip. It keeps speed stable, which protects the beans from heat. The chute reduces clumping, and the motor runs smooth. Cleaning takes little effort, and the compact shape fits on any counter. You get repeatable results each morning. Pair it with your preferred brewer to get richer taste. It supports home users who want professional control at each step.
Number 7. MDT Mini 4 Wheel Scooter.
This four-wheel e-scooter gives you stability and power for city and off-road movement. The Dual 500 West motors run on a 48V30A lithium battery that delivers strong torque on slopes. You reach up to 62 miles on one charge, which reduces stop-and-charge issues. The frame handles rough paths, and the wide platform improves balance at higher speeds. You get smooth steering and responsive braking. The suspension keeps the ride controlled on cracked streets and uneven surfaces. The compact foldable design fits in a car trunk. The display shows speed, battery level, and mode. Use it for daily commutes or long weekend rides with confidence. Number 6. Kombu Brewer. This brewer helps you make kombucha at home with reliable results. The stainless steel tank maintains steady temperature. The 1-gallon capacity produces enough for daily drinks without constant batches. The design keeps fermentation clean and controlled. You add tea, sugar, and culture, then let the brewer hold conditions for flavor development. The sealed build protects the brew from contamination. When ready, you pour, bottle, and repeat the cycle. You save money by preparing your own kombucha. The tank cleans quickly with warm water. It suits beginners learning the process and experienced users who want precise control. Each batch comes out balanced with steady carbonation and tang. Number 5. Snappy Mobile Gimbal. This mobile gimbal gives your smartphone stable footage during movement. The modular design lets you attach accessories for microphones, lights, or grips. Its motors keep shots steady in walking or tracking scenes. Switch between portrait and landscape using one button. The controls are simple, so you adjust angles without stopping. The battery supports long shooting sessions. You get smooth pans, tilts, and tracking shots that look professional. The lightweight frame fits in a small bag for travel. Use it for vlogs, short films, events, or client work. It improves quality without complex gear. Your footage stays sharp while you move through busy environments. Number 4. L-shaped standing desk. This standing desk gives you room to work with multiple screens and devices. The steel frame stays stable after 100,000 lift cycles, which supports long-term use. The electric lift lets you switch height fast, so you keep a healthy workflow. The 63 by 55-inch surface fits monitors, laptops, speakers, and writing space without clutter. The connectors keep the desk steady at full extension. Cable management routes wires cleanly. The shape fits into corners to save room. You switch between sitting and standing throughout the day to reduce strain. It supports home offices and studios that need a strong, flexible setup. Number 3. HiDock H1 Docking Station. This docking station expands your workspace and adds AI meeting tools. It includes 8 ports for displays, drives, and accessories. Plug in your laptop and get instant workstation control. The device records meetings, transcribes speech, and generates summaries using GPT-40. The process runs automatically. You focus on the discussion while the H1 handles notes. The compact design fits in a travel bag for remote work. It supports fast data transfer and stable video output. Use it at home, in the office, or on trips. It helps you keep track of tasks and information without manual typing. Number 2. Ice Sphere Maker. This device produces 2 clear ice spheres in 50 minutes. Each sphere measures 2.4 inches and melts slowly, which keeps drinks cold without quick dilution. The system stores up to 10 spheres, so you prepare ahead for gatherings. The mold design removes air pockets for clear ice. Use it for whiskey, cocktails, coffee, or soda. The compact body fits in a freezer shelf. You get repeatable results each time. It upgrades drink presentation for home use or small events. The ice pops out clean without cracks. It works better than standard trays when you want slow-melting ice.
Number 1. Power Block Charger.
This charger powers phones, tablets, and light laptops. It supports modern fast-charging protocols for short charging sessions. The compact body fits in pockets and travel bags. The ports deliver stable output for different devices. You plug it into one outlet, and the block handles the rest. The robot-inspired shell gives it a clean look. Heat control keeps long sessions safe. Use it in the office, at home, or on a trip. It reduces the need for multiple chargers. The build quality supports daily use without wear. Tell me which gadget you want next. New lists with smarter tools are coming soon. Stay tuned for the next video.